Them don't arrest 2 men for kidnapping a newborn baby. This one they happen inside Isolo for Lagos State. Hey, see what people they do. I beg who they give them these people this mura. Person just born pikin and not even let them breastfeed him pikin. Let them take care of him pikin small. And I don't rush go carry the pikin saying I won't go to farm. Hey, but I even like as they catch these people because later now, if then these people call hammer now, they will come down to motivational speaker. They give us advice, say, and like this, they use they get money from selling gari, they make money. In which you know go no say now person picking, they go thief. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
Tomorrow they spend money when they try.
Person picking. Oh my God.
Polish all of them, how to survive?
When I don't listen to an idiot.
Newborn baby.
Okay, God go bless you now. Oh my God.
Jehovah.
They team the pikin. See the baby. When I live above women. Let them live above women. Let them live above.
On a see person innocent baby. Now person won't go use stay do blood money. Ha! On another fear God do. Person get, in fact, she get mind. Person carry this belly for a whole 9 months. Come born picking finish. Now no come even reason the woman pain. On another reason say, this woman she go through stress to born this picking. The next thing for Nana, Anna will tell also person picking. One day go kill her, maybe use and do money. Why people be like this, I beg? If they talk say the heart of man wicked, in fact, you just they talk and they talk. On they see say people now they practice this thing, they do and read, they happen life. Because I never know as they take one. And if not before the intervention of police, they say that these people thief this picking. Now their police begin chase them. They don't agree stop. Last they can't go boss them before Ajawu Estate. See where they carry person picking they run from. From Jakonde. Carry this picking you saw say they go Ajawu. I beg and the Babala who even they involved for this matter, be whoever they're supposed to arrest all of them. See then these people. Old men, it's not even young boys that will say, okay, maybe not something Yahoo, they won't go is the thing. Old men will be saying, you sure say then these people get picking for house. These men get their own children for a girl wife. They no go say, okay, my wife will get belly. Make we use this picking to do blood. There's no reason. Now, a person picking will be say the person don't sweat born. You can't decide saying that this picking won't go kill. I beg, what's the worry people? I beg. But thank God say then this, in fact, police say, oh, now well done. But I beg, we hope say this one, now, this case, you know, can't go die. Because we know how Nigeria be. If this man now get money, then this man get money. They feel buy their way out of it. But I beg, make now do something about this thing. I even surprised say this kind of kidnapping they happen inside Lagos. I just say now for North and all this kind of places now they happen. It be like say now this thing don't turn to business because people now don't they complain say especially for Lagos kidnapping don't they in fact kidnapping don't they trend. Especially when it comes to small children. So parents I beg make na dey watchful. It means on our children know they safe. Bomo don't come outside. It be like say their season don't reach because it get time when they do all this kind of thing. It be like say that time don't reach oh. Make it dey careful if you're picking there outside, behind a CCTV go plant for him body. Make it they watch and well because now anyhow they will just bond you or picking carry and go. Say they won't go and do blood money. But I beg and this money when last now no go even enjoy this money. Juju when they do maybe after 10 years now go die. What's it come be the essence now they do all this kind of thing? What's it come be the essence because last time now hair now we go. But some people they know the reason and say as far as they don't get money. You get the money finish, you don't get peace of mind. In fact, this baby head they very valid. Because if say no, say this picking hair strong, I sure say they don't carry and go. But now God, now just want expose them this to me. I sure say they don't they do and since. May they interrogate them because now what is the one they talk? I know say a lie, they won't lie. They feel go lie, talk say this one. And the mama of this picking, may they go check him. Make no be say then this man don't go kill this woman picking no this man, I been a woman. Make no be say they don't go kill the woman, put her for somewhere, can't thief the pikin. May they do their investigation well, and then this man say, may they carry them go prison. Anything where you know say then this man deserve, now may they give them. May they no go they do why on top of this whole matter because we know how our Nigeria be. My people, I beg, I hear this one as make her bring and come, make myself using her ear, hear what they happen. Make now not forget anything when I fear about this matter where I just hear now. Make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Wahala no dey finish oh. This one na broad daylight kidnapping. One guy wey stop for road for inside Lugbe for Abuja say e be like say peace dey catch am make him stand there peace small before we go see. Na there men from nowhere just come outside from bush come begin kidnap this man. Now God, in fact, I ain't there for this guy side because I see this thing they happen. His wife there for one place, they watch this thing. Now there, this wife begin shout for help. Or they shout, say, then these kidnappers don't carry your husband. Now there, people begin chase them. These kidnappers, my people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
Somebody was kidnapped right here in Abuja, close to this railway station. He stopped to pee, and they stabbed him and took him away. This is the wife crying.
In fact, now luck now really there for this man side because before for here, now that maybe they could not even carry this man, go kill this man. This one I never even know be a kidnappers have been a one chance and won't even call her. Because as the thing happened, they talk say as this woman begin chase this man. As other people when they drive motor begin chase them this kidnappers before we see. Now there these kidnappers carry machetes, they slice this man, come to this man for outside. I beg all these our kidnappers, what's on at the game? Because now don't turn this one out to legit business. This one now don't turn to the oil money inside Nigeria. If we talk now, last time they go say, may they pay ransom. But I beg what's in at the game? Because these people when they go kidnap, nobody say they do on anything. The person know they owe you money, the person don't come find your trouble. So I beg you, what if when a reason person, innocent person matter, you go come with the meet and say you want to kidnap him. Big people they our politicians they on our liver and power no reach that side. When I go meet these people, now no go there. People will be say, and I know say she bind they no get. Now them now go they meet say, now won't kidnap the person. But I like this togetherness. If now they see where to, if say now some other places like Lagos now, many they kidnap you. In fact, everybody go just come out. Do like say they don't even see if they like me they carry you go. Nobody go even do like say they see you. But this one, as this thing happen like now, everybody. In fact, this one supposed to go do Thanksgiving. Because which kind of play, which kind of rough play be this one for kidnappers' hand? May you just go peace now. Peace don't turn to another. And everyone they carry on with this thing as the thing they down. And we can even go talk another thing. How they even carry and say they even kidnapper. But this one a sign of end time. Make na they careful. This one we say na even Abuja it happen. Where president they live where even facing a jail safe pass. Now inside that place now this one can they happen. In fact, since when this our government be an APC abi who enter, everything don't even spoil. Now there this kidnapping just do on a rise. I don't know where we go even they fight them about this because the thing don't tire person. The thing don't too much, but make we thank God for this man life. Same as they cut and say the thing not too much. I sure say last time they go carry and go hospital, they will go treat them. But I beg people when they move, if peace they hold you, just hold your thing, carry and go out. Because this one now don't turn to waiting. Kidnapping strategy. If you say you won't go peace, now they will just come bundle you, carry you go. So to best play things safe, no even try and say carry yourself, they go your house. Because it be like Nigeria no even they safe at all. Anywhere where you go now, make it very careful. Anything where you feel about this whole matter now, what just here, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.